Hello pharma learners. Welcome back to EduDose, where complex pharma concepts are made simple and effective. Today's dose is on a highly essential and often confused topic: cGMP versus GLP, two pillars of pharmaceutical quality and safety. If you're an M.Pharm student, a quality professional, or into regulatory affairs or preclinical research, this is your must-watch episode. Let's get started. cGMP stands for Current Good Manufacturing Practices. These are regulations enforced by regulatory bodies like the US FDA, EMA, CDSCO, etc., to ensure that drugs are consistently produced and controlled according to quality standards. Applied during manufacturing, packaging, labeling, and storage. Covers equipment, personnel hygiene, raw material quality, batch records, validations, and more. Key focus: process control plus product quality mnemonic. Think of cGMP as clean, consistent, and controlled manufacturing process. GLP stands for Good Laboratory Practices, which are quality systems applied in non-clinical laboratory studies such as toxicity, pharmacology, and preclinical safety testing. Covers study protocols, animal care, data recording, SOPs, reporting, and archiving of raw data. Ensures data integrity, reproducibility, and accountability. Key focus: data quality plus study integrity. Mnemonic: GLP = generate legitimate preclinical data. Let's look at the key differences. Why cGMP matters: prevents contamination, ensures batch-to-batch consistency, protects patient safety, reduces recalls and regulatory action. Why GLP matters: builds trust in preclinical data, is mandatory for regulatory submissions, IND, NDA, reduces study errors and animal testing repetition, ensures traceability of results. Case: the Thalidomide tragedy, 1950s to 60s. Thalidomide was launched without adequate preclinical safety studies. It caused severe birth defects in thousands of babies. This incident led to strict enforcement of GLP in preclinical and cGMP in manufacturing. Lesson: if GLP had been followed, the teratogenic effects might have been detected earlier. Imagine a pharmaceutical company developing a new anti-cancer molecule. Preclinical phase. GLP ensures that toxicity, mutagenicity, and PK/PD studies in animals are reliable. Manufacturing phase. Once approved, the formulation enters production under cGMP. Without GLP, data is rejected. Without cGMP, drug quality is compromised. So, dear learners, remember, GLP is for the lab, cGMP is for the factory, both are for the patient's safety. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EduDose by Dr. Satish Polshettiwar, your platform to master pharmacy the smart way. Comment below if you want a full series on quality assurance, quality control, regulatory affairs, or industrial practices. Until then, keep learning and stay safe.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who'd benefit. See you in the next video.